Okay, welcome to another logo design tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to create this logo. After creating the logo we will use it in the mockup. So let's get started. Choose Ellipse tool, and click anywhere on Artboard to open the Ellipse panel for creating the circle with measurements. There will be no fill. Increase the stroke size as per your choice. Create a duplicate copy and decrease the size. Again take one more copy smaller than previous one, and fill it with white color. Make sure background color is on the top. Select the circle, hold down Shift key and click on any color to fill the color in the stroke. Fill the color in the middle circle. Move the white circle little bit up. And make one more shape to get keyhole. Select the top anchor points of the shape, choose Scale tool, and narrow the space between the anchor points. Do some adjustments until you get your desired shape. Select the biggest circle, and expand it. Now make a shape from the right side of the circle which overlap the circle. Align its center, and minus it using Shape Builder tool. Merge the white shapes. Choose Text tool, click anywhere on the artboard, and type your text. The first word will be bold, and the second one will be narrow. Change the color of the words. Align the text center with logo. Group the text and shape. Now our logo is ready. Let's save it. Make sure to save the logo in PNG format with transparent background. Now open Adobe Photoshop. Open Logo Mockup file. Double-click on the bottom right corner of Placeholder layer. This is the default logo, which is available inside the placeholder. Let's put our logo here. Open PNG logo file that we saved earlier. Make selection around the logo, and copy it. And then paste it inside the placeholder. Hide the previous one. Save it. That's it. Here is our logo inside the logo mockup. So that was the logo design tutorial in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you like it. Please support me by like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.